In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Calendly. By the end, you'll be able to accept payments directly when someone books a meeting with you, which is perfect for paid consultations, coaching sessions, or any service where you want to charge upfront. First, open Calendly and go to your event types page. This is where all of your different meeting options live, like discovery calls, one-on-ones, or group sessions. You can access this from your main Calendly dashboard. Just make sure you're logged into the account where you want payments enabled. Once you're on the event types or scheduling area, look for the option called Integrations and Apps. This is Calendly's central hub for connecting with other tools. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the apps and services Calendly can connect with. On the integrations page, find Stripe. You might see it under payment processes or in a list of popular integrations. Click on Stripe to open the connection screen. Here, Calendly will give you a quick overview of what the integration does, like collecting payment from invitees at the time of booking. Next, click on the button that says Connect with Stripe. This will redirect you to Stripe's secure authentication flow. If you're already signed into Stripe in your browser, you may be taken straight to an approval screen. If not, Stripe may first ask you to sign into your Stripe account. Stripe may prompt you to scan a QR code as part of its two-factor authentication. Take your phone, open your authentication app or camera, and scan the QR code shown on the screen. This step links your Stripe account to your authenticator for added security. After scanning, you'll get a verification code from your authentication app. Enter that verification code into the Stripe prompt on your computer. Make sure you type it in exactly as shown, since these codes are time sensitive. Stripe will then show you a recovery key. This is extremely important to save in a secure place, such as a password manager or an encrypted notes app. The recovery key can help you regain access if you lose your authenticator device. Once you've securely saved that key, click on Next to continue. Stripe will now show you a list of accounts or profiles that you can connect. Choose the Stripe account you want Calendly to use for payments, especially if you manage multiple businesses or brands. Finally, click on Connect Account. Stripe will process the connection and redirect you back to Calendly. At this point, your Stripe account is linked, and you can start requiring payment on specific event types within Calendly's event settings.